Hello, good morning everyone. Firstly, let me introduce myself. My name is Aulia Sabila Rosyad from IPMI MBA regular program from the corporate finance class lectured by Professor Roy Sembel. And in this video, I'm going to share to you my mind map about things that I've learned in the corporate finance class. This class for me is very fun, very insightful, especially for me personally that I have a professional background in marketing communication. So this class really helps me a lot to understand more comprehensively about corporate finance. So the first is the introduction to financial management. This class begins with a comprehensive overview about the foundations principles of financial management to set the entire course. The first thing that we learn is to learn the roles and the objectives of financial managers, the importance of financial decision making, and the various functions within corporate finance. And from the first class, I remember we learned about the corporate finance event analysis and portfolio simulation, of which are critical component to the course. So we got into groups. Yeah, we are going to have a simulation to be fund managers, and we chose stock from Indonesian stock exchange. Yeah, that we chose to analyze to have the portfolio investment simulation. And also we learn about the efficient market hypothesis or EMH to learn the fundamental understanding of how information is reflected in stock prices and the implication of market efficiency. And the next thing that I've learned from the class is the time value of money and capital budgeting. So this concept, beginning with the time value of money, which is essential for valuing investment and making informed financial decision, not just by guessing, yeah, not just by feeling, but how we could make a valued investment. And in this topic, I've learned about the rule of 72, a simple formula used to estimate the time required for an investment to double given a fixed annual rate of interest. This concept is vital for understanding compound interest and its impact on investment growth. This concept also covers various capital budgeting techniques, including net present value or NPV and internal rate of return or IRR, which are crucial for evaluating the profitability and feasibility of investment projects. Also, we learn about financial ratio analysis, providing tools that to assess a company's performance and financial health through key ratios such as liquidity, profitability, and solvency. This concept really helps us to exercise that we can also apply in real world scenarios, especially in our job. And the next thing that I've learned is the analysis of securities and portfolio investment. This topic focuses on the analysis of securities and principles of portfolio investment. We explore portfolio theories, learning how to construct diversified investment portfolios that balance risk and return. And on the session, introduce the capital asset pricing model or CAPM, a fundamental tool used to determine the expected return on an investment given its risk relative to the market. Risk and return analysis is also emphasized, highlighting the importance of understanding both systematic and unsystematic risk. Also, we discuss about the concept of diversification. We learn how to optimize our portfolios using the efficient frontier framework. And also, The things that we learn is very practical, enables us to develop strategies for managing our investment portfolios effectively. The next thing that I've learned is capital structure and corporate restructuring. In the fourth week, yeah, the course covers strategic decision related to capital structure and corporate restructuring. This topic include the trade-offs between debt and equity financing, the impact of leverage on firm value, and the condition under which different financing options are optimal. We studied about leverage buyouts, yeah, about LBOs and corporate restructuring strategies, examining a real case, yeah, to understand how this mechanism can enhance or detract from company value. And also we discussed the implications of capital structure decisions on financial performance, risk, and shareholder value. We also learn about various corporate restructuring techniques, including mergers and acquisitions, divestitures, and spin-offs, and their impact on organizational efficiency and market positioning. This topic really provides us a comprehensive understanding of how strategic financial decision can drive corporate This topic really provides us a comprehensive understanding of how strategic financial decision can drive corporate growth and transformation. And the next thing that I've learned from this class is the fraud risk management. So this topic addresses the critical issue of fraud risk management, a key concern for financial managers and also auditors. So on the session, we introduced to the fraud hexagon, a framework to use to identify potential fraud risk within organization. We learn about different types of incentives that can lead to fraudulent behavior, such as financial, social, and also moral incentive. And the importance of implementing effective fraud detection and prevention measures is emphasized with discussions on internal controls, auditing techniques, and regulatory compliance. We also study about whistleblowing systems and the role in mitigating fraud, highlighting the importance of ethical behavior and corporate governance. So this topic really provides us practical insights into fraud risk management. The next thing that I've learned is the recent issues in finance. So we explore finance topics that are happening lately, focusing on the evolving landscape of corporate finance and the latest developments in the field, in the industry. So we study about green finance, emphasizing the growing importance of sustainable investment practices and the integration of environmental, social, and governance or ESG criteria into financial decision making. We learn about green bonds, carbon credits, and other financial instruments designed to promote sustainability. And the impact of international finance is also discussed with topics such as global financial markets, exchange rates, and cross-border investment. And also, this topic highlights the significance of staying update with recent developments and innovation in finance, encourage us to think critically about the future of the industry and the role of finance in addressing global challenges. And the next thing that we learn is event analysis and portfolio performance evaluation. So from the practical application concept learned throughout the class, focusing on the analysis of corporate events and evaluation of our portfolio performance that we work on group assignment, we analyze significant corporate event such as initial public offerings or IPOs, mergers and acquisition, bond issuance, and corporate governance changes. And also, we study metrics for assessing portfolio performance, such as return on investment, risk adjusted return, and portfolio diversification. So from the concept that we are already learned, we prepare our final examination to present our event analysis and portfolio performance evaluation throughout the weeks. And the final from this class is the group presentation. So we showcase our understanding and analytical skills. We present our corporate finance analysis, highlight the key findings and strategic implication of the research, and also we make a report about comprehensive portfolio simulation report, and those things allows us to demonstrate the course material and to have the ability to apply financial concepts in a real world context. So, as a summary, corporate finance class is very interesting, is very insightful for me, especially because my previous background is communication. By having more understanding about corporate finance comprehensively, it could be it could really helps me to apply this knowledge into a real world context to my professional careers. So that's all from me for the mind map video and things that I've learned in corporate finance class. Once again, thank you, Professor Roy, and thank you all for viewing this video. Bye bye.